Hi guys, here we are again. We're at Marchpen Road doing a delivery. This nice lady. We're making it quick because she said we have to do it before 6. So here. Hello. How are you?
I'm doing well.
You're doing. Why are you inviting me in?
Well,
Soup there?
I have to open the gate.
You have soup?
No, I don't have soup today, not today.
How could you not? Today is Saturday.
Yeah, I know, but not everybody cook on Saturday.
Okay, we're going to eat jerk chicken. Alright, so we're going to eat vegetables then.
Well, chicken. I would stick with the chicken.
You stick with the chicken?
Yes.
Alright, cool. I have your package for you. And I am happy to serve you.
Yes.
I hope you're happy to serve me.
I am, actually.
So you're going to serve me chicken?
Well.
I give you trouble.
Yes, you are.
Anything you want to tell me about the service?
Well, it is top tier for me.
I'm gonna come closer. Yes.
Yes, and I like, the customer service, the timing, how you guys respond. Even I was looking at the other day, when they give out the notification, they ship on a Wednesday, you can get the package, within 2 days.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yes, this is,
You love that.
Yes, I love it.
Good stuff. That's a happy customer. She's happy with our service.
Of course,
And I'm happy to serve. I hear a lot of music playing. Oh, a lot of parties happening tonight.
Well, I can't say.
You can't say.
Because I'm not a road girl.
Oh, you're not a... Look at you. All the best. Enjoy your
Thank you.
evening, all right? So there you have it, guys, on the delivery trail. She's not a road person, but I am. So on the road for the next delivery. Peace.